Hi and welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to work out if a point is on the line. If a point is on a line. So let's have a look at this question. We've got the point minus 2, 7, and I want you to tell me if it's either on line A or line B. So let's do this together so you know how to do this. So remember, when we give points, it's always given in the form of x, y. So coordinates are always in the form of x, y. So for the first one, we're told x is -2, y is 7. And we want to know if it lies on this equation, y equals -3x plus 1. So this is quite easy to do. All you have to do is sub in the values and see if the equation holds true. If it does, it is on the line. And if it doesn't, it's not on the line. So let's sub it in. So what I mean by substituting is wherever I see y, I'm going to sub in the point 7. And wherever I see x, I'm going to put in the point -2 and see if the equation holds true. So my left hand side is y, so I could just call that 7. And then we've got -3, and then x is -2 plus 1. So just 7 on there. -3 times -2 is 6. So we've got 6 plus 1. And 6 plus 1 is 7. So then we could just say the left-hand side equals the right-hand side. Therefore, the point, which is -2, 7, is on the line. So don't forget this final statement. Don't do all the maths and then forget to answer the question. A lot of students do that. So make sure you do answer the question and state it is or it isn't. Nice. Okay, so maybe you could try the second one by yourself. We'll go through it in a second. So all you need to do is substitute the points in and see if the equation holds true. So let's do it together now. Hopefully you've had a bit of a go. So the equation is, let's do this in a different color. 2x plus 2y equals 1. And remember the point was -7, which represented my x and y values. Okay, so let me write the equation. 2, and instead of x, I'm going to sub in -2 plus 2, and instead of y, I'm going to sub in 7, and I want to know if that equals to 1. 2 times -2 is 4. 2 times 7 is 14. This doesn't look right, does it? -4 plus 14 is 10. So 10 does not equal 1. The left-hand side does not equal the right-hand side. Therefore, that point, which is 2 -7, is not on the line. So once again, remember to answer the question and tell me if it is on the line or if it isn't. So hopefully you found that pretty straightforward. All you had to do was substitute the points in, and if the equation held true, then it is on the line, and if it didn't hold true, it's not on the line. Beautiful, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time where we'll do some more mathematics. Have fun, guys. Bye-bye.